In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Box step by step. If you use ClickUp for task and project management and Box for secure file storage, integrating these two tools can seriously improve your workflow. You'll be able to attach Box files directly to ClickUp tasks, keep everything centralized, and collaborate more efficiently with your team. This setup only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace where you want to connect Box. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click on the option called More. This section contains additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. After clicking on More, a menu will expand. In this menu, find and click on Apps. This is where ClickUp manages all integrations and third-party connections. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a list of available integrations that ClickUp supports. You can scroll through the list or use the search if needed. Find Box in the list and click on it. This will open the Box integration page inside ClickUp where you can manage the connection settings. On the Box integration page, you'll see an option to connect your account. Click on the Connect button. At this point, ClickUp will redirect you to Box and ask you to authorize the connection. Log into your Box account if you're not already signed in. Review the permissions that ClickUp is requesting so it can access your Box files. Once you're comfortable, approve the connection. After authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and the Box integration will now be active. That's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Box. From now on, you can attach Box files to tasks, access documents directly from ClickUp, and keep your project files organized without switching between platforms. This integration is especially useful for teams working on shared documents, designs, or reports stored in Box. Before you go, make sure everything is working by opening a task and checking that you can attach or link a Box file. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.